Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to move apps to SD card on Black Shark Pad SE. So once you have inserted your SD card into the respective tray right here, you have to format it in the internal storage way in order to be able to store some apps and data there. To do that, you have to go to Settings, then scroll down to Storage and open this menu. And then here you're gonna have to change from this device to your external storage, and now you're gonna have to tap the three dot icon in the upper right corner and tap Format. Now, formatting your SD card will also remove all data from it, so make sure that it's empty. Here you're gonna have to tap Format another way and select Format SD card for internal storage. Then tap Format Format. Then confirm. Wait for a couple of seconds until this operation is completed. Then you'll also be asked, most probably, to store some of your data on your SD card, which you can immediately do, and transfer some files like photos, videos, etc. Tap Move Content and then wait until it's moved there. And now we can actually transfer some applications to our SD card. Now, not all applications support this feature, but some games do. For example, Brawl Stars occupies over 1 GB of data, and we can actually move it to SD card. Hold your finger down on Brawl Stars and tap App Info. Then scroll down to Storage and Cache, and here you'll see that we are using 1.82 gigabytes of internal storage, and we can change it for at least part of its data. Tap Change and select Samsung SD card or any other SD card that you're using, and then wait until your application is moved to SD card. And now if we check the storage settings for this app, we can see that currently it's stored in our SD card. So that's how we do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.